Liz, I can't get up or down in there tonight. Thanks.
That is that, eh?
Me ma, when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull me hair, stole me comb, but that's all right till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Dublin City. She is a coach and a 1, 2, 3. Pray, can you tell me who is she? Albert Mooney says he loves her, all the boys are fighting for her. Never to know they ring the bell, allow me to rule them, are you well? Out she comes, the swine is snoring, to her fingers well to her tongue. Old Betty Morrissey says she'll die if she doesn't get a fellow in the marble line. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Dublin City. She is a court and a 1, 2, 3. Pray, can you tell me who is she? Let the wind and the rain and the hail blow high. Snow come travelling through the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie. She'll get around and by and by. When she gets a lad of her own, she won't tell a man when she gets home. Let them all come as they will, the Albert Mooney she loves still. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Dublin City. She is a court and a 1, 2, 3. Pray, can you tell me who is she?
I am a Merry Ploughboy, and I plough the fields all day, till a sudden thought came through my head that I should run away. For I'm tired of civilian life since the day that I was born. So I'm off to join the IRA, and I'm off tomorrow morn. So we're off to Dublin in the rain, where the chemists glisten in the sun, where the mills get sharp and grand, till the rattle of a Thompson gun. I leave aside my pick and spade, and I leave aside my plough. I leave aside my old grey mare, for no more I need it now. And I leave aside my Mary, she's the girl that I adore. I wonder if she think of me when she hears the rifles roar. So we're off to Dublin in the rain, where the helmets glisten in the sun. And we're off to join the IRA, and we're off tomorrow.
Hey, Johnny! You sing us the night before Larry was stretched? Yeah. Well.
The night before Larry
Hey, hold on.
was stretched, the boys, they all paid him a visit. A bit in their sacks too they fetched. They sweated their duds till they writhed. For Larry was ever the lad when a boy was condemned to the squeezer, would fence all the duds that he had to help his poor friend to a sneezer, and warm his gob for he died. The boys, they came crowding in fast, and they threw all their stools round about him. 6 limbs around his trap case was placed, for he couldn't be well waked without them. When one of us asked could he die without having duly repented, says Larry,
That's all in me eye, and first be the clergy invented. They get a fat bit for themselves. I'm unrepentant, even though I'm going to be hanged in the morning. I'll tell you the reason for my downfall. Women. Oh, women as angels without any wings, till they are very peculiar things. When little woman gets married, you know, she wants to be boss of the show. Wise men say there are 3 women to every man. Then tell me, why do some men stay single all their lives? 3 women to every man. Say if you can. Why can't every man have 3 wives? I only had 1, mind you, in the legal sense. She was enough trouble for 3.
When I was single, I wore a plaid shawl. But now that I am married, I've nothing at all. But still I love him, I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes. He came up our alley and he whistled me out. But the tail of his shirt from his trousers hung out, but still I love him. I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes. He gave me a handkerchief, red, white and blue, but before I could wear it, he tore it in two. But still I love him, I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes. He brought me to an alehouse and he gave me some stout, but before I could drink it, he ordered me out. But still I love him, I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes. There's cakes in the oven, there's cheese on the shelf. If you want any more, you can sing it to yourself. But still I love him, I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes.
You dropped something, darling.
Larry, your tea's ready.
I'll see you in about a half an hour. I'm done hours.
Oh, Larry, you're back.
Would you ever shut up and get me tea? I'm as dry as